Hey everyone, this is Sean from Colton RV. Today we have something really special lined up for you. We're going to be demonstrating the versatility of the 2022 Grech Turismo-ion. This isn't just a camper. It's packed with features, some of which are the first to market and put this coach light years ahead of industry standards. Today we'll be taking you on a journey around the greater Western New York area and showing you how these features adapt to different environments for both work and play. So let's get into it and take it on the road. So we're just getting into the drive right now a little bit. I gotta say, so far I'm extremely impressed with the Mercedes chassis. Overall impressions of this coach is that it handles really well, goes really smooth over the road. It's got a ton of great safety features that Grech includes as a standard. Grech is very well known for how comfortable their seats are. All hand stitched, all memory foam, extremely comfortable, and again, all of those safety features. On this chassis, it has the My Mercedes infotainment system. So Mercedes is actually going to be voice activated, or it's easily controlled right from the huge touchscreen next to us here. Very crisp, very clean, very subtle as well. I don't have to really take my attention off the road to get where I need to go. Overall, extremely impressed. So just a short 45-minute drive away from the Orchard Park store where we started the day off at. Look where we are. Letchworth State Park, otherwise known as the Grand Canyon of the East. I mean, from the highway driving all the way down to the country roads, getting in and out of the tight parkways to get to this spot here. This is what you are out chasing right now. This is the dream. You can go from charging your camera batteries up, making sure you're supplied for a whole day of photography and filming, and next thing you know, you're out in the wilderness. And that's a huge part about what makes the Grech Turismo-ion so special is the Lithionics charging system. Supplied by 300 watts of solar up on the roof, as well as an auxiliary 280 amp alternator. This is gonna give you hours and hours of power without having to rely on any kind of generator. That Grech Ion gives you everything that you need to do to enjoy nature at its finest without making any of the comforts of home sacrifice. So, man, look at this. So picture this, you just left one of Western New York's most beautiful attractions and you found yourself at easily the second most beautiful place in Western New York. We're here at Highmark Stadium, home of the Buffalo Bills. Big thing I wanted to showcase for you guys, with the Grech Turismo, this being a 19-footer, really easily fits within your standard 20-foot parking space, so you're not gonna have to worry about getting this into a tighter spot or location. And look how great of a tailgate machine this is. This thing's gonna easily hit on all of your tailgating needs, from your chairs, your coolers. We've also got this beautiful power awning right up above us here to keep us sheltered from the elements. But not only is the outside well equipped, let's go check out the inside. So right when you walk inside the Grech, there's a nice big sink to get everything cleaned up so the tailgate's perfect before you leave. Induction cooktop just next to there, so if there's anything you gotta heat up, cook, all right inside the Grech. Not to mention a convection microwave. Again, all of your cooking needs are gonna be hit on pretty easily here. An extra refrigerator, so if the coolers aren't enough, you've got another space for that. For after the game, obviously you know there's gonna be a big traffic backup, so you've got a TV to watch all the highlights. And to finish it all off, you've got your own private wet bath, fully encased in fiberglass, which includes a shower, sink, and toilet, so you don't even have to use a public restroom. So you mean to tell me that you have a vehicle that can go from the great outdoors to your favorite sporting event? Doesn't get much better than this. Well, thanks to the versatility of this coach, the Grech here, guys, I'm able to easily transition from Zoom conference right to the golf course. And you might not know when the Zoom call is gonna end, but you certainly know when your tee time is. And I don't know about you guys, but having the comfortability of having 4G LTE on the road wherever I go, to being able to transition to the golf course and not have to worry about missing either a tee time or an important Zoom call, I'm able to head out on the road and still be able to enjoy all of my favorite hobbies. So let's head out there. So we're finally in downtown Buffalo in front of Shays Performing Arts Center. We're just getting ready to go enjoy a nice show in the theater district here. We're just trying to unwind, pour ourselves a nice glass of wine, relax. One thing I got to tell you as far as the versatility of this coach goes, Traversing the heavy traffic of downtown Buffalo was an absolute breeze. Finding parking was exceptionally easy. We were able to parallel park this thing right downtown. And now that we're in our spot, we found ourselves with the blackout shades, giving us all the privacy in the world we need to unwind. And of course, plenty of seating if it's just for yourself, or maybe you make a couple friends at the show, or a few people you might have brought with you. All I gotta say, guys, cheers to the versatility of this Grech. So we've had a great time taking out the Grech Turismo today. We've done it all, from visiting a beautiful state park, tailgating at our favorite sporting event, jumping on a work Zoom call, then heading out to the golf course, as well as relaxing with a glass of wine and taking it to a theater show downtown. And what better place to end the day at one of America's most iconic destinations, Niagara Falls. When you're looking for your next coach, think to yourself, where have I always wanted to travel? What motorhome is right for me to get me where I want to go? Well, you're looking at it right now, the 2022 Grech Turismo-ion.